The electric vehicle revolution is well underway, and Toyota is not just joining the race, they're planning to dominate it. So, buckle up, because today we're diving into the bold strategies and groundbreaking innovations Toyota has lined up to secure its spot at the top of the EV hierarchy. And hey, before we go any further, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support fuels us to keep bringing you all the juicy details. Now, let's get into it. Toyota is no stranger to the EV world. They were pioneers in hybrid technology, with the Prius becoming a household name for eco-conscious drivers. But let's be real, hybrids were just the warm-up act. Toyota's main show, a lineup of 30 fully electric vehicles by 2030, covering everything from sleek sedans to powerful pickups, and even some futuristic sports cars. And they're not stopping there. They're building battery plants, pioneering solid-state batteries, and even rethinking how we define a car. So, why is Toyota taking such bold steps now? For years, they've been criticized for lagging in the EV space. Brands like Tesla and BYD have been soaking up market share, dominating headlines with their flashy vehicles and aggressive expansion. But Toyota? Oh, they've been quietly plotting their moves, and now they're coming out swinging with a strategy that's as calculated as it is innovative. Unlike Tesla, which has focused on high-performance vehicles, and BYD, which excels in affordability and volume production, Toyota's approach is all about balance. They're leveraging decades of experience in engineering reliability and efficiency to offer a product lineup that appeals to a broader audience. From cutting-edge solid-state batteries to diversified portfolios of vehicles, Toyota's plan isn't just about catching up. It's about redefining the rules of the game entirely. One area where Toyota could outpace Tesla is in scaling manufacturing efficiency. Toyota's mastery of Kaizen, the Japanese philosophy of continuous improvement, has made them a global leader in lean production. Applying this expertise to EVs gives them an edge in reducing costs and boosting quality. As for BYD, while their affordability is a strong suit, Toyota's emphasis on advanced technologies like solid-state batteries could offer a performance and longevity advantage that's hard to beat. And trust us, by the time we're done here, you'll see why Toyota's plan is not just ambitious, but revolutionary. They're not just chasing trends, they're setting new ones. Let's start with their upcoming lineup. The first big hitter is the bZ4X, an all-electric SUV designed to compete directly with Tesla's Model Y and other popular crossovers. This SUV is more than just a rival, it's a statement of intent, showcasing Toyota's commitment to sleek design and cutting-edge technology. With an estimated range of up to 250 miles per charge, the bZ4X also features advanced safety systems like Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 and a cutting-edge infotainment system that includes over-the-air updates and voice-controlled navigation. The bZ4X comes in both front-wheel and all-wheel drive options, making it versatile enough for various driving conditions. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Toyota's BZ series, short for Beyond Zero, aims to offer everything from compact urban runabouts to family-friendly SUVs, catering to a diverse range of lifestyles and needs. One exciting model in development is the BZ Compact SUV, which promises an agile, stylish option perfect for city dwellers. It's expected to feature an extended range and an energy-efficient design tailored for urban commuters. Toyota has also announced plans for the bZ5, a larger sedan model tailored for families who need space without compromising on eco-friendly credentials. The bZ5 is designed with comfort and utility in mind, offering a spacious interior and premium finishes to appeal to families looking for sustainable luxury. And let's talk trucks. Toyota has electrification plans for the iconic Tacoma, which has long been a favorite among truck enthusiasts for its durability and rugged appeal. The upcoming electric Tacoma is expected to deliver all the performance that fans love, including impressive towing capacity and off-road capability, while incorporating a battery system with a potential range of over 300 miles. The truck is being developed with serious adventurers in mind, featuring advanced terrain management systems and all-weather durability. Additionally, Toyota is working on the Land Cruiser SE, a concept vehicle blending luxury and sustainability. The Land Cruiser SE combines high-end interiors with advanced electric drivetrain technologies, aimed at redefining how SUVs are perceived in the EV era. It's a bold move that signals Toyota's commitment to elevating EVs in every segment of the market. Adding even more to the mix, Toyota unveiled concept models like the Toyota Sports EV, a jaw-dropping electric sports car combining futuristic aesthetics with record-breaking performance capabilities. Imagine a sports car that doesn't just turn heads, but also redefines what high-speed, eco-friendly driving can look like. For larger families or businesses, Toyota's all-electric van concepts like Micro-Box and Mid-Box promise practicality with an eco-friendly twist, making them perfect for urban deliveries or family adventures. The variety in Toyota's EV lineup demonstrates their commitment to not just electrifying vehicles, but also meeting the specific needs of different customer segments. This strategic diversity ensures they're not just keeping up with competitors, they're setting the pace for the entire industry. Now, here's where things get really exciting. Toyota's not just throwing batteries into existing models and calling it a day. They're investing heavily in solid-state battery technology, a revolutionary leap forward in EV development. So, what makes these batteries so groundbreaking? Solid-state batteries replace the liquid electrolyte found in traditional lithium-ion batteries with a solid material, which allows for several key advantages. These include a significantly longer range, ultra-fast charging times, improved safety due to reduced risk of overheating or combustion, and a more compact design that opens up new possibilities for vehicle architecture. Imagine an EV with over 600 miles of range that can recharge in just 10 minutes, essentially eliminating the concept of range anxiety. Toyota's vision includes making these batteries lighter and more efficient, which not only enhances performance, but also reduces the overall environmental footprint of EV production. The company has already made significant breakthroughs, claiming a technological edge that could leapfrog competitors. Production of their next-gen batteries is set to begin in 2026, with even more advanced versions rolling out by 2028. These later iterations are expected to offer unprecedented levels of energy density and cycle life, making them suitable for a wide range of applications from consumer EVs to heavy-duty commercial vehicles. Skeptics might question the feasibility of this ambitious timeline, citing delays in the past. However, Toyota's track record speaks volumes, with decades of experience pioneering hybrid technology and a reputation for precision engineering. Toyota is uniquely positioned to overcome these challenges. If they succeed, solid-state batteries could become the industry standard, rendering traditional lithium-ion designs obsolete and cementing Toyota's dominance in the EV space. But wait, there's more. Toyota isn't just focusing on cars. They're expanding their vision to encompass an entire ecosystem of sustainable mobility that goes far beyond traditional vehicles. This includes hydrogen-powered fuel cell vehicles, which are perfect for commercial applications like heavy-duty trucks and buses, offering quick refueling and long-range capabilities. Autonomous transport solutions are also on the table, with Toyota investing in self-driving technology to create smarter, safer urban transit systems. On top of that, they're rolling out innovative urban mobility concepts like e-scooters, compact electric pods, and shared mobility platforms designed for densely populated cities. These solutions aim to reduce congestion and carbon emissions while increasing convenience for everyday commuters. Toyota's commitment to decarbonizing their entire supply chain and manufacturing processes further demonstrates their dedication to sustainability. They're even exploring renewable energy integration at their production facilities, envisioning a future where factories operate on solar or wind power. Basically, Toyota isn't just building cars, they're building a future where mobility solutions are interconnected, efficient, and environmentally friendly. Imagine cities with autonomous shuttles, seamless electric charging stations, and hydrogen hubs, all designed to support a sustainable and accessible lifestyle for everyone. This vision places Toyota not just as a car maker, but as a leader in creating the cities of tomorrow. And let's not forget affordability. One of the biggest hurdles to widespread EV adoption is cost, and Toyota is addressing this head-on. Their upcoming popularization battery aims to drastically reduce costs, while still offering impressive range and performance. This move could make EVs accessible to a much broader audience, further solidifying Toyota's dominance in the market. And affordability isn't just about price tags, it's about creating value that resonates with everyday people. Of course, none of this is happening in a vacuum. Toyota's plans are part of a broader effort by Japan to boost domestic battery production, and reduce reliance on China and South Korea. The Japanese government is backing these initiatives with significant investments, and Toyota is right at the forefront of this national effort. This collaboration between industry and government could set a new standard for how countries approach the EV revolution. Now, if you're thinking, this all sounds great, but can Toyota pull it off? You're not alone. Critics have pointed out that Toyota has made big promises about EVs before and hasn't always delivered. But this time feels different. The level of investment, the scope of their plans, and the urgency of their actions all point to a company that's ready to lead the charge, literally. Plus, with a legacy of innovation and excellence in engineering, Toyota is posed to make good on these promises. So, what's next for Toyota? In the short term, we'll see the rollout of their first wave of EVs like the bZ4X and the electric Tacoma. These models are just the beginning of Toyota's broader strategy to reimagine mobility as we know it. The bZ4X sets the tone with its sleek design and impressive performance metrics, aiming to capture the crossover market. Meanwhile, the electric Tacoma is a bold move into the highly competitive EV truck segment, promising rugged durability with zero emissions, a combination that's bound to turn heads. Soon their next-gen batteries will start hitting the market, revolutionizing what EVs are capable of. These batteries won't just be an incremental upgrade, they'll redefine the standard for range and charging efficiency. Imagine charging your car in minutes instead of hours or driving over 600 miles on a single charge. That's the reality Toyota is striving to deliver. And by 2030, Toyota aims to have a full lineup of 30 electric vehicles, covering every conceivable need from compact city cars to high-performance sports vehicles, and even heavy-duty trucks. This lineup isn't just about variety, it's about positioning Toyota as the go-to brand for EVs in every category. The next few years will be pivotal, not just for Toyota, but for the entire automotive industry, as these innovations set a new benchmark for what's possible in sustainable mobility. If you're as excited about Toyota's EV future as we are, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more content on the way, including deep dives into other automakers, EV technology breakthroughs, and the latest industry news. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.